Hello and good evening guys, because I'm making this video in the evening, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can generate image. Like me, I am an image, and you make them talk. From image, the image will talk, the image will walk. Even the animals can talk too, the lion. All these videos are made with an AI app. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to create similar videos like this for your African folktales channel, storytelling channel, how to create video. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you won't miss out when next I upload another video. This particular picture of the dog talking isn't an AI, it is a meme I found on Facebook, so I made it to talk. First of all, let's get down to the video. You need to go to Play Store. Google Play Store. When you are in the Play Store, you are going to search for this app called ChatGPT, and you are gonna install ChatGPT. It is already installed in my phone. I just have to update it. The second app you look for, it's called Dreamface. You search for Dreamface. Yep, I've already, as you can see it here, I've already installed the Dreamface app on my phone. You just have to go and install this app too. Next, we'll go to the next app we will use is the Gen. You search for the Gen Video AI app on your Play Store and install it. As you can see, the Gen AI video generator, I've already installed it on my phone. Now let's go to the video generating process, the image from image to video. I use ChatGPT to generate most of my pictures. Image generation. As you can see, when you watch my video at first, you'll see this picture. Here's the picture I generated from ChatGPT. I told ChatGPT to generate an image of a beautiful Nigerian girl in the forest walking and talking with a walking cat, and the image was generated for me, and I make sure I turn this image into a video. ChatGPT is slow in generating pictures, so I will give you the fastest one, Google Gemini AI. Google, go to your Chrome and search for gemini.google.com or Gemini AI, whichever. Now, as you are, I will walk you. I created images using Gemini AI. It is fast in creating image. If you check my video from the starting, you will see this image. I created this image using Gemini AI. It is very fast in creating image. Now ask here, let's say create an image of a Nigerian boy age 6 walking with a lion. You click send, boom, with just a second, and our image will be generated. All you have to do is you get your image prompt. Then I will take you to where you can animate. Now our image is created. The first one, it was sitting. The second one, he was walking with a lion. All you have to do is save the video. You can, with Gemini AI, you can generate as many pictures as you would like. Now let me walk you through my favorite app, the Gen favorite. This app is my favorite, and I will teach you. It is not free, but I will show you how to generate images and how to, and you can generate images with this app. I will show you how you can remove the watermark after the video, after you have created your video. But you must first log in with your Google account. Let me walk you through. I have generated 6 videos so far. All the 6 videos I've generated so far, you can see it here, starting from this one. I can play this one. Why do wasting time to play? Well, those you can see this picture I showed you that time. I have generated those videos here, and you can click the download button and save them. Now, how do I generate video with this app? Come here and you click here, albums. You select your picture, wait for the picture to be uploaded. And in this prompt, you write what you want. The prompt control video generation. Enter the instructions you want your picture to do, walking, talking. You put it here and you hit good. You can actually, if you want to use your voice to talk, here's the talk. You can click here to record your voice, or you can upload your voice note from any app or any other AI app. You can upload your voice here, or you can record your voice. As for me, I recorded my voice and added to the animation. When you are done, you hit good and then you generate. For me, I've already generated like 6 videos today, so I won't be allowed to generate another. But for you, you can generate. You can simply subscribe. It is $4 per month, and you generate thousands of videos. We are done with the first app. Let me show you the second app you can use and generate. Let's go to the dream face. I generated this image using dream face, though. If you watch my video from the starting, you will see a boy eating an apple. It was an image and it generated. And let me personal. You see the image to video. You can see the boy. The prompt was the boy to be eating my apple. As you can see, I generated this one using dream face, and there was no watermark. I still image to video of this dog. It was an image. This image I got it from Facebook, and I used this app to make it talk. It is very free. You log in every day, you get free bonuses. You create one image or one video per day with this one. That is why it's not my favorite, but I love them. and you can do it too. You can create your image from ChatGPT of your story, then you animate them using these two apps I have showed you. Now, after generating your video, let me show you how to remove the watermark. You go straight to CapCut. Now, as you can see, the video playing. The video playing, you can see I am scrolling it till the end. All the videos are generated using the apps, and there is no watermark. How did I do it? Now, initially, when you touch it, let me draw it up, you'll see watermark bar. Now, I just zoom it and draw it down a little bit to cover the watermark. You can do so. See this one, the watermark is down, but when you go down like this, it has no watermark. But the one from Dreamface was the one I generated using this boy, and you can see there was no watermark in it. So Dreamface has no watermark, but you can only generate one video per day. The rest that have watermark, you just have to zoom in a little bit or zoom down to cover the watermark, and you can generate your video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, so I will show you apps that can create images using AI for free. Thanks for watching.